Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, there are a couple of ways in which you can possibly fix the Wi-Fi not working. First of all, let's simply reboot our Wi-Fi on our phone. We can do that by expanding our control center from the top right corner and then simply doing this and then enabling it Wi-Fi once again. Now, technically this should reboot the Wi-Fi feature on your device. However, what if the network is the issue? Well, then we can forget it and reconnect to it once again. So let's press and hold our Wi-Fi icon and let's head into details. Now inside we can see our current network that we are connected to. So let's head into the cogwheel icon on the right and let's go with forget in the bottom left corner. As you can see, I did connect to another one, so let me also disconnect from this one. And now we are... oh my god, I have way too many networks connected. But as you can see now, we have fully disconnected from phone from the Wi-Fi. So all you want to do is simply go into your network once again, and now your phone will behave like it never connected to it, and you want to input the password to it. And now we want to simply go with connect, and as you can see, I am connected now. Now, if you don't know where you can find the password, it's usually located right below or next to the router. And if you actually are next to the router, don't walk away, because if these two things I just show you don't really help you, then it's probably the network that's in issue. So you want to now restart the router. But how you can do that? Well, unfortunately, I cannot really show you this because I don't have your router. There are plenty of different routers, to be honest. But generally speaking, you should have some sort of button that you can press and hold or just click to disable and to turn off and then turn on your router. Or alternatively, you can just plug it out from the electricity and then plug it in. Like in, for example, 5 minutes. Now, technically, this should help you. This should reboot your router and basically your Wi-Fi should be working again. However, if it does not help and if you're still not working, then I would just advise you to connect to try and call your service provider, because then maybe something is wrong on their side. Maybe the server is dead, maybe the cable broke, maybe the rat ate it or something. It's honestly hard to tell, but if you have already done that, so if you have tried restarting your Wi-Fi, restarting, reconnecting to your network, and then restarting the router and nothing's working, just contact your Wi-Fi provider and ask, hey man, I'm paying for that, why is it not working? And they should help you. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.